Date 25th July 2021. Day Sunday. Commercial, adjective, lucrative. Synonyms: money-making, profitable. Antonyms: loss-making. Example sentence: their work is way too commercial. Subvert, whirl, destabilize. Synonyms: unsettle, overthrow. Antonyms: keep. Example sentence: an attempt was made to subvert democratic government. Precautionary, adjective, preventative. Synonyms: preventive, safety. Antonyms: indifferent. Example sentence: we took her to hospital as a precautionary measure. Urge, whirl, encourage. Synonyms: enjoin, adjure. Antonyms: discourage. Example sentence: drawing up outside, he urged her inside. Groundbreaking, adjective, innovative. Synonyms: pioneering, advanced. Antonyms: conservative. Example sentence: groundbreaking research has been done to look into fertility problems. Intensive, adjective, thorough. Synonyms: in-depth, concentrated. Antonyms: superficial. Example sentence: she undertook an intensive Arabic course. Wane, whirl, decrease. Synonyms: decline, diminish. Antonyms: increase. Example sentence: confidence in the dollar has waned. Ghastly, adjective, terrible. Synonyms: frightful, horrible. Antonyms: pleasant. Example sentence: it was one of the most ghastly crimes ever committed. Uncertainty, noun, unpredictability. Synonyms: unreliability, precariousness. Antonyms: certainty. Example sentence: these are times of uncertainty and danger. Lapse, whirl, deteriorate. Synonyms: decline, fall. Antonyms: improve. Example sentence: the country has now lapsed into chaos. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.